more than 25 years, Borusan has represented the Caterpillar brand in Kazakhstan and is among the leading dealers in the world. An extensive network of service centers provides prompt and high-quality service, minimizing customers' downtime. Occupational safety, technical equipment, quality control make the basis of all Borusan service processes. The Component Rebuild Center in Atyrau plays a key role in the Caspian region, focusing on oil producers. Particular attention is paid to the maintenance of Cat engines, which are part of generator sets and substations that feed tugs and oil rigs. All stages of repair are carried out in the shop, including disassembly, cleaning, high-pressure washing, high-precision detection of component flaws, replacement of worn and consumable parts. The machining of parts to be rebuilt is the key to cost saving and extending the service life of frames, cylinder blocks, crankshafts, rods, and others. The shop is being developed continuously by supplementing new areas, technologies, and specialists. Work is underway to rebuild machines, manufacture buckets, bodies, and specialty ground force equipment, which is successfully used at customer facilities. The modern warehouse, one of the largest in the region, has more than 10,000 spare parts and significant inventory of Cat technical fluids, enabling quick response to customer requests. A wide range of Cat generators is available. Representatives of the company can also share the detailed information about other brands, partners of Borusan. Sustained quality and high standard of service lie at the core of Borusan activities, ensuring uninterrupted operation of equipment and strengthening long-term partnerships.